Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. Of course, I will list all my socials down below. Now, today we are again back in my closet because we're here for another Crocs video. We're actually going to be decorating these. If you haven't seen my little mini haul video, which was the last video I posted, I will have a link up above here. But yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to decorate all three of these Crocs in this video. So I'm going to keep this intro very short and sweet so we can get on with the video. Okay, so I want to start off decorating the blue ones, which are my tie Crocs. So I'm figuring I'm going to do it with these. Of course, the little evil eye. Maybe even some of these. So I'm going to open all these packages up and then that way I can see what I'm working with. So now that all of the jibbitz are spread out here, I can see what I'm working with. I want to work with the Clueless ones first. Let's see. The pom-pom, you guys know from my previous decorating Crocs videos, I always like to work with the bigger ones first. So I'm thinking maybe putting the pom-pom somewhere either here or here. Let's see, maybe on the side here. Okay, and then the Clueless logo, thinking here, and then back there. Okay, since this is a smaller one, I'm thinking in between these two. It looks good so far. The cassette tape, maybe here. I guess that's cute there. And this is a smaller one. Maybe I can put this here. I don't know. I feel like it's clashing. What if I switch them? Put that there. And then put this one here. Yeah, I kind of like that better for some reason. Okay, now that we have the space, let's see if I can put some of these hearts on here. Sweet hearts. This is huge. We want to work with this one first. Maybe here. No. Maybe sideways. Sideways like that. And then put some hearts on here. I want to put the glittery ones next to it. So let's see. Since this jibbit is big and it's red and white, I want to get jibbits that complement it well color-wise surrounding it. So like you saw, like this one clashed when it was next to here because it was like too many colors. But it kind of looks good here. So I'm thinking maybe let's do a pink here. And then purple. I like that so far. And maybe the orange here, like that. And then, let's see, maybe one there. And then the yellow one or the gold one here. See how it looks. I think it's pretty, but let's see so far. Okay, so I have these little matte heart ones. Again, we want to complement them color-wise, the surrounding gibbets. So maybe this one here. Okay, and then maybe that one there. And then maybe this one here. Even though it's not glittery like the other ones, I feel like it'll kind of look cute because it's orange. Orange here and orange here. What do you guys think? I think it's kind of cute. And then we have one last one. Maybe putting it in the bottom here. Okay. I'm thinking I'm going to move this one over here. I mean, it's cute. I think it's cute, but what's bothering me is these three spaces here. Maybe, just maybe, I'm going to need more gibbets here. So I think I'm going to have to go hunting for some gibbets that'll match here. But I kind of like it. It's weird. It's different. What do you guys think? yeah, I think I like it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pause on these. I definitely want to get gibbets to fit these spaces, but I don't want to get just anything. But I like the little hearts with it. I kind of feel like it goes. It's cute. It's different. And let's be real, I was in no way going to have Crocs with just these little gibbets in one Croc. So I feel like this goes and it's really cute. So let's go to the next ones. Okay, so we are up to the Share Crocs. Now, these and the Dion ones, I feel like they can only go specifically with their own Dion and Share gibbets, only because one, the fact that they're Crocs that have a design on them, and two, because of this big chain and all this that's happening, I feel like if I put anything else that doesn't match with it, it's not going to go. So I'm going to put only Share gibbets on here. So let's see how I'm going to decorate it. Okay, that's really huge. So because that's huge and vertical, what I want to do is put this gibbet that's also vertical on this side to allow some balance. So I'm thinking, since that one's there, let's put this one here just so it matches, kind of. You know what I mean? And then, let's see. We have the little pearl here on the side. Why not put her name right next to it? Maybe, actually, no. What about... See, this I feel like will go better on this side because of the little brown that's on the phone. It'll match the gold here. So little details you want to look out for. Since this is all mainly silver, I mean, of course, we're going to put some yellow gibbets on here, but I feel like on this side it'll go because of just what it currently has. So maybe right here. I think that's cute. And then because we have a black and white one here, I want to put a black and white one on this side. So again, to match with the placement of that side, let's maybe put this one here. I think that's cute so far. And we literally only have 2 gibbets left. So obviously we're going to put one of each on each side. Do I think this goes with this? I feel like this is too bulky and this is bulky, so it's not going to mesh well. I feel like it'll go better on this side. Maybe on the side. I'm thinking on the side here. See, like that? I kind of like that. And then what's left is this little yellow gem. So I'm thinking maybe here. Yeah, I like that. So that was easy. That was easy and quick. This is what my Share ones look like. I love the placement of the gibbets, so it's perfect. Okay, so we are down to the last ones, to Dion's, and this is what they look like. And let's see, came with this little chain. I'm thinking maybe this here. This maybe, yeah, I like that there. Then the Clueless, I'm thinking maybe here. That's good. And then this red rose maybe there. Oh, I love that. And then the little red gem. Okay, so these are done. This is what they look like. Okay, so this concludes our video. I'm going to show you guys again, all of them one by one. Now, the tie ones, I kept looking at them off of camera and I was like, you know what? I think I can do better. So off of camera, I did rearrange them a little bit, which is probably not fair for you guys, but I wanted to like really make sure that it looked like it went well together. So I just spread them out a little more. I rearranged them a little bit. This one I kept the same, but in terms of these gibbets, I moved them around. So yeah, this is what they look like. And I'm very happy with the result of these. I actually don't mind the spacing now that they're spaced out a little bit more. And I feel like it looks really nice. So yeah, these are the tie ones. These are the Share ones. I love them. Very happy with them as well. And then last but definitely not least, these are the Dion ones. So this is what they look like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, another little designing my Crocs with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.